What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on WLD because this coin is right now breaking really important resistance, and if certain conditions are met, then I will be thinking here about opening a trading position. So yeah, if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The main chart that I will be watching in today's video is a daily time frame. You can see that here we are breaking this bullish triangle, and right now if there will be a support confirmation, then I think that there can be a pretty good opportunity for opening a long position. The exact trade can look, for example, like this. So stop loss definitely put somewhere back to this triangle. This will really depend on the risk reward ratio that you want to have, and for entry you have here two options. The first one will be valid in case of the support confirmation. This is slightly more risky, and the second one will be valid in case of support confirmation and then breakout of this previous week high. So the exact trade then will look, for example, like this. With the first scenario, as I said, it's more risky, but there is better risk reward ratio, and with the second scenario, yeah, the trade will be just safer. And as your last take profit target, well, me personally, I wouldn't hesitate to put it, let's say, under the $10 mark, which is, in my opinion, the next important psychological resistance, because once there is a breakout of this current all-time high, we will get into a price discovery phase. So for the price, it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves, and you can see that this coin can be pretty volatile. So definitely in this position, take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this current week high if you will decide to open a long position just after a support confirmation. Then definitely some of the profits under the current all-time high, and then for example under that $6 mark, $7, $8, $9, and then under $10 mark. So from risk reward ratio 18, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 13, 12.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, absolutely insane. So definitely keep an eye on this current setup. And if we, for example, compare it to the second long scenario, then the risk reward ratio will be only 10, like only, it's still really good, but if you will take that multiple take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 7.5, which is not that bad. But yeah, you can just see that opening it just with the support confirmation gives you much better trade. And because this is such an important resistance, it can also give us an opportunity to open here a short trade. For the short trade scenario to be valid, I want to see here, again, a resistance confirmation under this resistance without the support confirmation. So the today's and the next day candle needs to close under this resistance of this triangle. And if the condition is met, then I think that there can be, let's say, a decent opportunity for opening a short trade. Stop loss in this case, you can put above the high that we created during that fake out. So right now it will give you pretty safe stop loss around like 6%, which can also give you really good risk reward ratio. And as your last take profit target, well, I would put it slightly above the support of this triangle. So if the market will do, for example, something like this, then the last TP will be, for example, on the level 2.40, which will give you risk reward ratio around 8, but definitely take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take, for example, above this highs, then above this low, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be from 8, let's say around 6, which is not bad for a short trade setup. But in my opinion, the long scenario that I showed you is much better, because as you can see, for the past couple of days, this coin is really bullish. Let's summarize it. On a daily time frame, this coin is currently breaking this really important resistance on a daily time frame, and me personally, I am only thinking here about opening a long trade because I simply don't want to short something like this. So if there will be that support confirmation and for example a breakout also of this previous high, then I will be definitely thinking here about opening a long position. But again, if you will decide to open here a long trade scenario, you need to understand that because we had here a pump around like 123% of the net market move, this position is pretty risky, so there is pretty high probability of liquidation. But that's why I am choosing, let's say, the higher risk reward ratio, and also we will be, let's say, aiming here for another 100% of the net market move. So if this trade is, let's say, in our favor, then the profit will be much bigger than potential loss. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.